It's a great position to be in. You know, you never want to be 0-2, but the thing I would tell you with being 0-2, I felt as a football team we handled it extremely well. It probably in the long run brought us together, probably more so than had we gone out and just blown someone out. You know, I think we're a football team on a mission right now. A lot of strong feelings for one another, and I think we took those first two losses, and throughout the last 3 weeks, we've made ourselves a better football team. If we have a strong finish here, I think you'll look back at that game and say that was a turning point. In the same token, I would tell you this: things don't just happen. I do think that we left the post game with a lot of confidence, a lot of belief in one another, a lot of excitement, a lot of energy, and in the last week and a half, it showed.
I think it's pretty big because that's a conference game right there, and if we lose that game, then you know our morale and our motivation, you know, isn't going to be as where it was going into Gannon week. So the post game was real big for us to come out on top. Yeah, every week, I mean, everyone's just got to do their job and everyone's got to make a play, and that's what our offense is designed to do. So I believe everyone can be a difference maker on this team.
To tell you the truth, man, I don't know who's in on what plays. Honestly, I kind of do my job, and I kind of take what the defense is giving me, and I'm kind of just distributing the ball. And I mean, I guess it's eight players or 11 or 6. I don't know, but I don't really know who's where, and we have different areas to attack and different players that we want to get the ball in certain situations, and we practice it all week in practice, and just kind of goes that way in the games, I guess.
Well, we've all started to bond and being able to know that when one of us is doing something, the other one we work in sync with each other, and that just comes with playing with each other and getting more experience with each other. Yeah, I mean just being able to know what the other guy's going to do and having confidence in each other.
Are things any different now that you're 3-2 going into that room for a practice than they were when you were 0-2 maybe? Is there a different vibe that you guys have now?
Personally, I don't think so. I take it one game at a time. I'm always looking to just focus on this who we're playing this week. I know a lot of the teammates they think that just focusing on what we have in front of us for this week is most important. We have the 24-hour rule. If we win or lose, you only get 24 hours to think about it, and then you're on to the next. So.
I don't think there's any doubt. You know, it forced us to be better technicians, be more disciplined, and you know, I think our staff coached hard, and we tried to put our players in the best position that we could put ourselves in. And probably as a staff, it also gave us an opportunity to find our weaknesses and try to improve on them.
Just better practice habits have really helped us eliminating MAs, which are missed assignments in practice, and it's kind of translating over to games, and it's really helping me, and along with a bunch of our wide receivers and our coaches, it's really helping us in games, execute, put more points on the board.
Now that you guys have gotten a rhythm, gotten a little bit comfortable with the offense, are you excited about maybe where you can take it and how much better you can get the rest of the year?
Oh yeah, we have a big challenge this week in IUP. They're the #1 ranked defense in the country. I just heard that today, and I mean, we're gonna go out and play our game regardless or whatever, and just gotta continue to get better and I mean, execute for IUP because they're one heck of a ball club.
Yeah, I just think we're starting to look like a football team that's in mid-season form. We're making less mistakes. We're just much more efficient about our play.
What are some keys going forward now as you have IUP this week and the rest of the PSAC road down the line?
You know, I think you continue to do the things that you do well. and the things that you don't do quite as well, you maybe emphasize it a little bit more in practice, so you can overcome those errors. And but as a whole, I just think you continue to get better as a football team and try to grow together. And you do what you have to in all three phases to come up victorious.